There basically wasn't a scratch on the machine. Certainly wasn't any kind of rust. But it got scratches on the rear and sides, front. They worked on a gravel drive, and this mower is always blown off and kept very, very clean. As you can see, they scuffed up the, I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but I guess they had rocks in their shoes, and it just did all kinds of damage. This thing did some damage here. I know that doesn't look like a lot of damage to you, but it is a lot of damage to me. They knocked a hole in the seat. She kept getting off the mower, and I noticed when I watched her, she'd take this seat deck and just throw it as hard as she could forward. And they had some sort of bunch of tools laying actually on the deck, because they were using this sort of as a work table with a couple other mowers around it. And they had some tools laying down there on the deck right about in here, and stabbed my seat. So if it sounds like I'm a chronic complainer, I really don't mean to be, and don't really mean to sound like it. Just trying to warn you, you want to make sure, if you take care of your mower and take really good care of it, you want to make sure that other people that's servicing it takes as good a care of your mower as you. Reason why the ohmmeter is sitting here is, as I showed you earlier in the video, I just got through installing this, and I want to make sure we had very good connections that weren't going to be a problem down the road. I'll show you what the mower has on it now. It's only mowed one time since it's been home. So here you go. Hours are 34.8. So that's not a lot, considering the mower was purchased 4 years ago, 2014 in February. I think the last 1 or 2 days of February. It sat till August before it was ever started and operated in 2014. Mowed the yard, I think, 4 times then. Was gone pretty much the rest of that year, or most of the 2015, and 16, 17. So it hadn't got a lot of use. So if I'm saying how great it is, and it makes you think, well, he didn't spend a lot of time on it, well, that may be true, but up to this point in time, it's doing great. Hope you enjoyed the video. We'll be bringing you more modifications as they come along, like the LED front lights. And I thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.